What's up, guys?
This is CJ.
I'm Justin, and in today's video, with Thanksgiving right around the corner, we're going to be making some keto pumpkin pie. And so you can have your healthy dessert as a healthier option. We're going to leave the recipe that we followed right here down in the description, so make sure to check that out if you're ready to make some bomb pumpkin pie.
But we're gonna do this with a twist. With tiny hands. And we know that this is gonna be a messy one. So we order an apron. Matching apron, Mr. and Mrs. We ordered it from Amazon, so if you guys want your own pair, we'll link it on the description down below. And they also come with some oven mitts. Super cute. Perfect for this. Without further ado, let's bake the pumpkin pie. First is we're gonna do the crust. So first we need 2 cups of almond flour. This is the important part. It should be almond flour.
This is where teamwork really comes into play.
Jeez. Maybe we just scoop from inside.
What if we put it in here?
Okay.
I guess you can scoop it. That solves that problem. Very good. Ooh, I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Nice hands, baby.
Ooh, thank you. Nice. That's a big scoop.
The first cup.
Nice.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm impressed right now.
Super impressed.
We're not doing much of a mess.
This is a
Still.
much cleaner challenge than we thought. Perfect.
Sound good?
Yeah,
Okay.
good work. Good work. All right.
Oh, nice, babe. What an expert.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
spoke too soon. Sweet.
Next is 1/4 of salt.
Ooh, okay. So,
How can we freaking grind it?
what if one person holds it and
Okay.
the other person tries to turn it?
Tries to turn it, which seems impossible.
Yes.
Okay. I'll try to turn it. Okay. Do we
Maybe
really
we
need
should have
salt?
grinded this beforehand. Now that we got the salt, we're gonna dump that in the pile here. And then we need some sugar.
So this, we need 1/4 of salt.
1/4 of a tablespoon of salt. Oh, nice.
With a spoon.
It's gonna be tasty.
Okay.
Okay.
And then 1/4 of the sweetener.
Instead of normal sugar, we got this monk fruit. You can find pretty much anywhere if you look for it in the baking section. It's just a healthier alternative to normal or regular sugar. So try this one out.
Okay, so we're gonna measure 1/4.
Right.
Of course, we're gonna use our built-in spoon.
Scoop it with the hands. Oh boy.
I think it's gonna take forever for this one. Okay, let's try to dump it.
Try to dump it?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're gonna try to dump. Okay. Ooh, since
nice.
this is small.
Oh, good. Good.
Ooh,
Ooh, is that
smooth.
good? Yeah, that's pretty good.
Okay. Ooh, that was the smoothest thing
Nice.
we did.
Good work.
You like
The
my
more sugar, the
sweet
better.
sugar.
I got a big
What?
sweet tooth. Oh, goodness.
Of course, we can't really get that right.
Nah, you didn't see nothing. We good?
Okay. And
I'm
then
holding.
1 egg. Okay. Hope we don't
Oh,
put
boy.
some shell in this mixture.
I'll hold it, you karate chop it.
Huh? Yeah!
Oh!
Oh, not two. One more. Ah!
Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Ooh,
Okay.
nice. Okay, I'll take off
Alright.
the other
Oh,
one.
thank you. Look at that. Ooh, that
Ooh,
is beautiful.
almost. 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, just a butter. So 3 tablespoons is it wouldn't chop perfectly. Show it to them.
Using my hands.
Karate
Work
chopping.
smarter, not harder.
Karate chop
Killing this
everything.
challenge. Nice. Got some. Yeah, got some buttery hands. Butterfingers. Sick.
And that's it for the crust mixture. So we just have to mix it.
Mix it
If
together.
you have a food processor, you can use your food processor. But since we don't have one, we have a hand blender. But of course, we're using tiny hands, so
Try
I
not to
guess
get them
we'll
super
mix
dirty.
with our hands.
Alright.
Oh yeah. That's fun.
Oh,
Oh
boy.
fudge. Having too much fun. Okay, while you're working on that, I'm gonna preheat the oven for 350 degrees. We're gonna grease our pie pan with some butter.
Ooh, yeah. Nice.
It's working
It's coming along
great.
good, yeah.
Tiny hands is really good. After numerous time of kneading the pie crust mixture, we're gonna put and transfer it to our pie bowl. Yeah!
Alright.
Now we're just gonna form and flat it out.
Nice. Help you out here.
This is the dough that we finished. It's kind of watery, but we'll see what's the finished product. So we'll put it inside the oven for 10 to 13 minutes and see what's the finished product for a crust.
I have high hopes. Let's do it.
While we're waiting for the crust, we're gonna make the pumpkin mix. So what are we gonna do first, Poo-Poo?
Okay, we're gonna get some cinnamon. We need 1 teaspoon. And then we're gonna do a half a teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger.
Okay, so cinnamon for how much?
Oh, just 1 teaspoon. So we're actually not even gonna fill this guy.
Okay.
Okay. Oh boy.
Bud! Okay. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's good.
Okay.
Whew, so much for just cinnamon. Okay, ground ginger, half teaspoon. Oh, we don't
We'll
want
just
this
have
to
all
be
that.
too gingery.
No. Oh boy. Oh boy.
God. Okay, let's try it again.
There you go, tap, tap, tap. That's probably good,
Okay.
yeah. Because I have some on my hands
It's all
here.
in your hand. Okay.
So,
Nice.
perfect. Good job.
Okay, nutmeg. 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Uh-oh.
And we don't have a lid for this one, so we gotta be super careful.
If it goes down there,
Yeah, we're screwed.
it's not gonna be a pumpkin spice. For sure. Okay. Maybe I'll just... That's good?
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Whew.
Oh, nice.
Okay, 15 ounces of the pumpkin.
Okay.
Guess I was stupid.
Ooh, yum.
Okay. You wanna do the honor?
It's okay, I'll do the next one.
Okay. Let us know in the comment section below what's your Thanksgiving tradition. You wanna know if we can try some of it next time? Oh, go baby, go!
Okay, thank you. There we go.
You're waiting for me.
Waiting patiently here.
Wow, nice. You have patience.
Yeah, of course I do. Gotta have patience for the wifey, you know what I'm saying? That's key to a marriage. Guys, take notes. Patience. Ladies too, matter of fact.
Yeah, true story. Okay, next.
We need another
one.
8 and another one. What a mess. It's gonna be a delicious mess though.
Pumpkin pie that we'll bring to the family.
That's right. We're gonna
With
love
kindness.
it.
Okay, what's next?
Alright.
Next
3/4 of heavy whipping cream.
Okay, ready?
Ready? Got you.
3/4?
Yeah.
Is it too much?
No, I think that's perfect.
Oh, yay!
Yeah. Spot on.
Nice.
Right on the money. Good job, boo.
Okay.
Maybe. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Nice. Sweet.
Okay. Next is 1/4 of brown sweetener. So we have brown sugar here. Put up the rest of this. Hopefully not the
The whole bucket itself. Nice.
1/2 of our 0-calorie sweetener. So 1/4. Okay. You're just gonna eyeball it? Okay.
Probably what.
Okay. Okay. And then 2 eggs. Gonna karate chop eggs again. Ready?
Oh, nice. Oh, wow. What a powerful punch. Oh, sick. Oh.
Oh, you don't need that.
Okay. No, that's good.
Okay.
That's cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Last thing on the list is a teaspoon of vanilla, which we will also eyeball.
Chop chop. Maybe that's it.
Maybe.
It's it away.
Oh yeah, get it. If you guys do make this one, let us know in the comments section how to turn out for you, how to taste. At the end of this one, we'll give you a taste test too. So if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe and leave a like for us. We'd appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Want to taste it?
Sure. Not bad. Not bad. Here's how the pie crust turned out. Nice and golden brown on the edges.
Time to dump the filling.
I think this is not gonna turn out as planned.
They believe in us.
Yes, I believe. Oh my goodness.
Well, it's turning out good. I guess.
As good as it can be, I suppose.
Ah!
Ooh, okay.
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 Ooh.
Nice.
It's so good.
That is
A masterpiece.
a product of tiny hands. Good job, baby.
Let's put it in. Stay tuned for the finished product, guys. And for the taste test.
And we're back after 24 hours of letting this pie sit. We're gonna give it a try.
Finished product. Ooh.
That delicious slice of pumpkin pie, of keto pumpkin pie.
Cheers. It turned out good.
Definitely more crust than I would have liked, but that's okay. No worries. That's my fault.
Let us know if you guys tried the keto pumpkin pie. We'll leave it down in the description below, the recipe that we followed. And I can't really tell that this is a keto pumpkin pie, so it's really
Came out
good.
super delicious. And the sweetness level is on par with regular pumpkin pie, so it's hard to tell the difference, like she said.
Yeah.
We recommend trying it, and if you haven't done so already, go on and hit that subscribe button for more future videos like this, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy Thanksgiving.